Guys, welcome to another JQ Crafties Corner. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that I got from my coworkers when I left my previous job. My new job is going well, by the way. It's very different. It's a total different pace, but I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of information to take in, but I'm doing well. Doing well. Hanging in there. We got this. But my amazing coworkers at the job that I worked at for 10 years know that I craft. They know that I'm a scrapbooker. And they made me a scrapbooking album. And I'm not going to show you too much of it just because none of them gave me permission to put their pictures on here. But there are a lot more pictures of me and my name and everything, so it's not too bad. But I'm going to just kind of show you what they made. So they went ahead, and my manager found the very few pictures she could of me at any event or anything that we went to, and then they all filled out a just card of cardstock with memories, which was really, really awesome. And then she put this together. And then they gave me a gift card to Hobby Lobby, which is super exciting. And yeah, I enjoy this a lot. And what's even better is then I posted on my social media a picture of me leaving the clinic, so I can put a page right here and maybe put my own little sentiments, so there's a page left over. So that's really awesome. Have you guys ever gotten a gift like that? This is the first time someone's gifted me an entire album, which means a lot. It means a lot because not only did they like really think about what I like to do and what I enjoy. This takes time and this takes commitment. So hats off to my old manager, Courtney. Like I don't know how she finds the time. She's a busy mom. She's an entrepreneur. She's a manager. Our department is nothing but busy. So I don't know when she had the time, but she's amazing. The only other time somebody made anything scrapbook related for me, like just for me, was my husband, actually. I know, shocking. But he actually proposed to me. Let me see if I can find it. He proposed to me in this scrapbook. So I'd started making this scrapbook, and I never really finished. I probably should. Because old creative memories when that was like the only thing. And is this all the first year? It might be. Trying to think. See, I left some room. For things. Yeah, and I didn't write dates on any of this stuff, so I really should go through and fix this. I still have this punch. It was like the first punch I ever got. Oh, I did do second year. Oh yeah, because we had been dating for a while when I started this, I feel like. Look at, I was even making interactive things back in the day. What did I do? Oh, I did it with an envelope. Yeah, I cut up envelopes that I thought were cool. Let's see, this is 06. I did put some dates on these things, so that's good. Oh, that fell off. Where is it? Is it literally at the end? It might be. Oh, yes, here. I gotta finish this. He put together this scrapbook page and tied my ring to it. He even found the stickers. Look how straight he put those on. I'm so impressed by him. So this was the only other time someone made a page for me. And so clearly you could tell I'm not very good at keeping up on my stuff because here I am with some good basic gray papers. And some fun florals and beads and things. Yeah, I was documenting Kristen's wedding. Did I emboss that? Might have been. Oh, good. It's right there. I think it's 06. Yeah. I'll have to glue those down. And then clearly I was not up on it either, because this was in 2009. And I don't have very many pages done after 06. Okay, I gotta... Oh yeah, because I only used squares at the time. Let's do this. And I didn't cover up my brads. Don't look, Sandy, if you ever watch this. Yeah, I might have to go through and re-glue all this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's falling off. It's not staying. Sorry, this was not supposed to be this kind of video. Me fixing my albums. Oh, but see, I've got like acrylic pieces in there. I've got brads and my flowers, which I love. I really like this page. This was really very dynamic of me. Did I fussy cut something out? It looks like I did. This was a long time ago too. Very impressed with myself. Yeah. But anywho, so I need to do more of these pages, which I do have refills, so I can. The nice thing about these books, you can expand the spine quite a bit. I don't know if I want to expand it that much, but yeah, I need to do this page especially. Well, I think that's why I didn't do it, because it's so much, it's 3 years after this happened. So it's a good thing he didn't do it on that. That was smart of him. He probably didn't think about that. But anyway, this is back on what I was talking about. This is the only other time anyone made a scrapbook page for me, is when my husband proposed, and this is how he proposed. And so I was already really into scrapbooking way back then. I started really into it when I was in high school. My mom got me into it because I think my aunt was selling Creative Memories. So, actually junior high. I think I made my first scrapbook when I was in like 6th grade. In the early 90s. So yeah, this is the only other time. So this album meant a lot then, because they did a whole album of memories, and yeah, I cried a lot. Cried a lot. But anywho, so that's what's new in my world. Note to self, Jackie needs to work on this album. But yeah, these are old. Look at me tearing paper. Ugh. I didn't even realize I knew how to do that back then. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, it looks like I need to like re-glue some of this stuff and make sure it's attached better. And yeah, but I will keep this because this means a lot. I won't redo these pages. I won't like put them elsewhere. I will keep them in here. So I'm going to go ahead and re-glue all those letters that I pulled off and put back down. And I digress. Gifts are amazing, especially when they come from the heart like this and they're specialized to people. So if you're ever doubting if you should make one for somebody, do it. They'll love it. Everybody loves a handmade gift. Nobody would turn it down, because they may be like, maybe I don't want, they may act weird at first, but then they'll realize it's awesome. So that's all I got. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye.